9 to 5 can't do that. You trying to do these things with a 9 to 5, you go find yourself start with thief. And right then and there, the system is out there, waiting for you to sleep. And the moment you sleep, they slide away with you. Welcome again to another segment of Make Sense, the official reasoning place. And if it makes sense, it makes sense. Because, we no come boy if you come talk foolishness. See me? Well, today reasoning, we know, is about the Jamaican Constitution again. Yeah, because we want to keep repeating it into the minds of our Jamaican people that we need to learn, the Jamaican Constitution, because the Jamaican Constitution is a set of rules and regulations set down or laid out by higher authorities, so that citizens of Jamaica will stay inbound with the law, and you will find out, say, when you understand your constitution and understand your constitutional rights, then your rights won't be violated without you knowing. And on the other hand, you won't violate another one's right unknowingly. You know what I mean? Yeah. Me also want to talk about the Jamaican school system too. You see me? Because I sit down and I analyze life and analyze Jamaican school system, and when I check the ratio, the things them where you need for you learn. You not learn them something there in a school, whether infant school, basic school, primary school, secondary school, which is high school. You not learn them things there. One of the main thing where I think should be taught in Jamaican schools, is, and I think this should be mandatory, that this lesson be taught in high school, in primary school, and well, maybe not in basic school, because basic school are for toddlers, but like in primary school, when children start to can understand, them need to start to teach the Jamaican Constitution, in a school. Say I went to school. I started school about 1990 something. Yeah, I started school. And I finished school 2009. And I never one day go in a class and learn about the Jamaican Constitution. I never know nothing about Jamaican Constitution until I left high school. And I go about my business and book upon this article where I talk about Jamaican Constitution. And I took it upon myself, and I went in search of what this Jamaican Constitution could be. And I was so amazed to say something so useful, something where can save your life, save you from going to prison, something so precious to Jamaican. Them not teach that in a school, man. The rights, the Jamaican Constitution. No. Them now go on good. And I go tell you something, 70%, of the people them were dead already in a Jamaica, 70% of the people them don't know their constitutional rights. And you see, out of that 70% there, me can tell you say approximately 60% of that the amount there never hear nothing about the Jamaican Constitution before. May I tell you? Because you have some people in a Jamaica today, in a today day and age 2024, big man and big woman, and them no know them constitutional right. Some of them never hear nothing about the Jamaican Constitution yet. You see me? Yes, and I think that this is so not good, and this is so unfair to the citizens of Jamaica. If you know, say, all right, something so critical and something so useful. Why they keep these things from us as Jamaican? You out there going about your business, and police can take advantage of you. Police can deal with you anyhow without you understanding your constitutional rights. You and the other run civilians violate the rights of police officers just the same, because you don't know the law. You see me? You don't know the law, man. Another thing where me see go on in the school system too, where them need to cut out them type of slackness there. Every school where you go I teach you how to go work hard for money. And no school now teach you say, listen to me, formulate a way to make money work for you. Because that is the only way out. Making money work for you, man. School not teach you that. School not teach you say, listen to me, go out, come to school, get a good education, and so that you can become a police officer, you can become a firefighter, you can become a soldier. Yeah, no wrong with becoming one of those having one of those career. But at the same time, school need to teach you. Say, listen to me. Even if you stay somewhere and you become a soldier, don't stop there with your life. You must bear in mind that working for money will only make you tired, poor, and poverty, and in a stress, just like some people, right? And I believe that this is why you see so much things happen, right? Because so much people in a problem, and people have to start thief. People have to start being unfair, because the system, generates some lifestyle, paint some type of lifestyle for the average man, if you want to have them. As long as you have ambition, you're going to need a house. Worse, if you have your family, you're going to need a house. You're going to need a flashy car. You see me? Yeah, and you're going to try to lead a type of lifestyle and maintain this type of lifestyle, The life where them create for you, go come to you and make you know, say, listen, to accumulate these things, you have to go borrow a big loan, And you see, after you borrow that loan, you have to go work, to pay off that loan. When it should not be that way. School should teach you. Say, listen me, you borrow a loan and you use the money from that loan to generate money. Make money work for you. That's the way to go, my people. Don't borrow alone with the intention, say, all right, you're going to work your 9 to 5 job to pay this loan. You're going to a problem. So you see it. At the end of the day, my people, 9 to 5 can't do that. You trying to do these things with a 9 to 5, you go find yourself start with thief. And right then and there, the system is out there, waiting for you to sleep. And the moment you sleep, they slide away with it. And anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. So you have a right to remain silent. You know? So it all come down to the point where you're supposed to know the law. You know? Yeah. And as when we say, the average man don't know the law. The average man don't know the law, you know, and you are going to try to talk yourself out of the problem where you put yourself in and out. And you, by you trying to talk your way out, not even knowing, say, you only sinking yourself deeper and deeper into hot water. Because the average man always mix up justice with law, you know? And because you think to yourself, say, it is justified to do what you did. That is not the case with law. You know, law is a total different thing from justice. You know? Yeah, so you can't really put the two of them in the same equation. You know? They might can go side by side, but the two of them are the same thing. As when I say, my people, don't sit there waiting on school to teach you about the Constitution. You know? Me take the time out to create a video and put the pages of the Constitution, you know, the Jamaican Constitution, in this video. So you can pause the video and read through them individually. And if ever you happen to get caught up in a certain type of things, remember, say, make sense, did post a video with the Jamaican Constitution inside of it. And whatever problem you might get yourself into, you know, come to the page, you know, and watch the video and pause it, pan the problem where you're in. You know, the page will correspond with whatever issue you might have. And you read through it, you know, and try to get a better understanding, you know, or try to get an understanding of what you're up against. Now to the point where money is concerned and how money can implement and implicate one's life. Money is very relevant, you know, where law is concerned. No joke about it. And money is so hard to accumulate, you know, by working for it. So I think it is necessary for teachers, the school system, to teach this in school, how to go about making money work for you. You know, I will be putting together a video on that, you know, shortly. You know, yeah, simple ways how how one can really make money work for them. You know, yeah. So as what I say, my people, make sense is not a lawyer, and I am not a judge. I'm not a police, and I don't come out here if you can inform nor fast up in a people business. You know, or talk where me don't know about. You know, me is a youth where I analyze situations and I will give my take on it and how we can better ourselves as Jamaican. You know? Yeah, man, because regardless of what happening, we deserve a chance to live, you know? Yeah, man, every man have the right to live, man, you know? You know the vibe.